Yeah. Can you get your chicken off my bed, please?
There's Fluffy in them.
Okay, can you get the chicken off my bed, please?
But Mama, what is this?
Mia, you gotta remember to close the gate.
Oh, Mama, what is this?
Mia, I don't care what that is. I need you to get the chicken off the bed. Hurry. Grab it before it goes poop.
Did you know it has to go poop? Mom.